deep breath, relax. I'm going to see what I can do for you. Okay? Come on back.
Sorry, man.
Central, I got one that's running. 3162. He tried to run me over. BMA S87. No, southbound on Atlantic from Denny's.
Traffic, 16 without you. 4 Delta 10 Central, up and out.
16 Central, yeah, he ran me over. Southbound on Atlantic, white male driver. It's gonna be, it looks like he's going westbound on 1 street south of Cascade. Pursuit authorized 10. Esmeralda. Battery LEO, ag battery, ag assault with the vehicle.
Authorized. Alright, I'm at the intersection of Peninsula and Dunlop waiting for him to come over.
Alright, gotta get off the radio. He's westbound, 1 street south of Westminster. And he's gonna be coming back northbound on Peninsula, guys. Northbound on Peninsula.
Alright, Delta 10's at Beachcomber and Peninsula with Stick.
Alright. Central, can we get Air 1 up?
Absolutely, I'll get him up. What's the vehicle description?
Alright, so he's in front of me. It's a white Ford F150, white male driver. Central, just for CAT, if you can notate, the Taser was deployed as well. But I missed.
Where did he say? Update the location.
Alright, so he is northbound at Oceans West. We're coming up on a group of cars.
16, I'm behind you. I'll take care of the radio communications. We were passing the golf course. He's caught up in traffic. We're at about 30 miles an hour. 231 Central, I'm at TMZ, South Peninsula.
Central, for description, it's going to be a white Ford F150, number 631 on the back bumper.
361 on the back bumper, white Ford F150, I copy.
631, and he's reaching hard.
631. 20 miles an hour northbound, still passing the golf course. Rooney set up stop sticks down there. I'll be in an unmarked north of it. 16 back off just a little bit so you don't hit the stop sticks. We're passing Glades Terrace right now. Coming up to the school. Back it down a little bit. We're still only at 40 miles an hour, but he's in a school zone now, so get back. Okay, we're coming to a stop right in front of the school.
Keep your hands out the window! With your right hand, put your car in park! Put your car in park! Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! With your left hand, open up your car door with your left hand! Keep your hands out the window! Keep your hands out the window! Step outside, keeping your hands up! Keep your hands up! Walk backwards towards me! Stop! Lift up your shirt on your shoulders! All the way up! Turn around! Turn 360! Keep turning! Keep turning! Keep turning! Keep turning! Back up towards me! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Cars only occupy times 1. Keep coming! Keep coming! Stop! Get down on your knees! Get down on your knees! Put your hands on your head! You got me? Get
down.